it's fantastic to be acknowledged for something that you've just enjoyed doing all your life. Growing up as I did in Birmingham, the product of immigrants from County Roscommon, when we went home, as we called it, to Ireland on holiday, we went to the Flas in the early 70s and we got to hear some of the best of music. Aggie White and a very young Frankie Gavin, the McDonough brothers, you know, the two men with hobnail boots playing under the stairs in the Listowel Arms. If you're learning music, you have to go back to the source. It's not just something that, you know, you go into the pub and there's people there and they're playing away, you know. This is something else. This is a really important art form like any other art form.
Cóthardachas le Ceoltóir na Bliana, Catherine McEvoy.